everyone, Snookybird here, and welcome to another video. You just saw my new intro there, hope you like it. Today we're going to go on the Return of the Phantoms adventure, and I'm going to show all you guys where all the chest locations are. So here we are at the adventure. So now the first one is actually hidden. It's right along this path here, and hidden in the trees. So this one only has 50 gems, but there's some other hidden ones that have more. To reach this next one, you need to have the lake clean again. So I need to go fight off all the phantoms and stop up the phantom pipes before I can get to this one. Okay, so now the river is clear, I can just head down it, and there should be a chest right down here. Okay, so here we go. 100 gems. So the third chest for today is also hidden, and it has 200 gems. It's just along where, you probably know where the two obvious chests are, but it's across the river and down into these bushes. And now we'll just quickly grab the last two obvious chests before moving on. Okay, 100 gems. So I've just skipped all the plant watering because that would be boring. So now I've got the key, we can move on through the door. There's just an Arctic wolf door here. I'll just go grab it. Okay. It's a shame that they only have bad prizes though. So, now for the last chest. It's right down here. We just need to get past the phantom. This laptop's too laggy. Okay, there. Anyway guys, that's all for today. I know it's a short video, but like and subscribe for more content, and it would be much appreciated if you could comment down below and give me ideas for stuff I could do in videos. Bye!